In the heart of Southeast Asia, a culinary treasure reigns supreme. This region, known for its rich biodiversity and vibrant cultures, is home to a fruit that stands out not just for its size, but for its unique flavor and versatility. The jackfruit, scientifically known as Artocarpus heterophyllus, is a titan among fruits. Its massive size and distinctive appearance command attention wherever it is found. Often weighing up to 80 pounds, the jackfruit is the largest tree-borne fruit in the world. Its rough, spiky green exterior hides a treasure trove of sweet, aromatic flesh inside. The bumpy green exterior of the jackfruit belies the deliciousness within. When sliced open, the fruit reveals a bright yellow flesh that is both sweet and fragrant. This flesh has captivated taste buds for centuries, offering a unique combination of flavors that can be described as a mix of banana, mango, and pineapple. The versatility of jackfruit is one of its most remarkable traits. It can be eaten fresh, dried, or cooked, and is used in a variety of dishes ranging from savory curries to sweet desserts. This is the story of the Thai jackfruit, a journey from humble seed to celebrated street food. The cultivation of jackfruit begins with the planting of its seeds. These seeds are carefully nurtured in nurseries until they grow into young seedlings. Over the years, these seedlings mature into towering trees that bear the iconic fruit. The process of growing jackfruit is a testament to the dedication and hard work of Thai farmers, who have perfected the art of cultivating this remarkable fruit. The journey of the jackfruit from tree to table is a fascinating one. Once harvested, the fruit makes its way to bustling markets and street food stalls, where it is transformed into a variety of delicious dishes. In Thailand, jackfruit is not just a fruit, it is a cultural icon. It is celebrated in festivals, featured in traditional recipes, and enjoyed by people of all ages. The story of the Thai jackfruit is a testament to the dedication of Thai farmers and the vibrant culture that has embraced it. From the orchards where it is grown to the street food markets where it is enjoyed, the jackfruit is a symbol of the rich culinary heritage of Thailand. The journey begins with a seed, carefully selected from the most robust jackfruits. Planted in fertile, well-drained soil, the seed receives the life-giving kiss of the tropical sun and abundant rainfall. Thai farmers, custodians of generations of knowledge, nurture these nascent trees with meticulous care. They understand the delicate balance of sunlight and water, ensuring the seedlings thrive. Years pass, and under the watchful eyes of their tenders, the jackfruit trees transform. They grow into towering giants, their branches reaching skyward, their leaves a symphony of green. This growth is not without its challenges. Weeds, eager to steal precious nutrients, are diligently kept at bay. The farmer's commitment is unwavering, their efforts ensuring the trees flourish. The arrival of the harvest season is a joyous occasion. The air fills with the sweet, musky aroma of ripening jackfruit, a siren song to the senses. Farmers, their faces etched with experience, know the signs. A gentle tap on the fruit's rind produces a hollow thud, a confirmation of ripeness. abundance to their lives. The markets are a feast for the senses. Vivid colors, enticing aromas, and the lively chatter of vendors create a symphony of sights and sounds. Amidst this vibrant tapestry, the jackfruit holds court. Skilled vendors, their hands moving with practiced ease, transform the fruit into culinary delights. The ripe, juicy arils are enjoyed fresh, their sweet, slightly tangy flavor a refreshing treat. Unripe jackfruit with its meaty texture finds its way into savory dishes, curries, and stir-fries. Even the seeds are not wasted. Roasted or boiled, they become a tasty snack. Nothing is wasted, a testament to the resourcefulness ingrained in Thai culture. The jackfruit is more than just a food source in Thailand, it is deeply woven into the cultural fabric. Its abundance symbolizes prosperity and good fortune. Offerings of jackfruit grace temple altars, a gesture of respect and gratitude to the gods. The fruit's presence at celebrations and ceremonies underscores its significance in Thai life. The journey of the Thai jackfruit from tiny seed to celebrated street food is a testament to the intricate relationship between nature, culture, and cuisine. The story begins in the fertile soils of Thailand, where farmers plant the tiny seeds with care and patience. These seeds, nurtured by the tropical climate and the dedication of the farmers, grow into majestic jackfruit trees. Each tree, bearing the promise of a bountiful harvest, stands as a symbol of the harmonious balance between man and nature. It is a story of dedication, skill, and a deep reverence for the bounty of the land. The farmers, with their time-honored techniques, tend to the trees, ensuring that each jackfruit reaches its full potential. The process is meticulous, requiring a deep understanding of the land and the fruit. From the careful pruning of the branches to the precise timing of the harvest, every step is a labor of love. It is an invitation to explore the vibrant flavors of Thailand, where the jackfruit takes center stage in a myriad of dishes. At bustling street food markets, the air is filled with the enticing aroma of jackfruit being prepared in various ways. From savory curries to sweet desserts, the versatility of the jackfruit is celebrated in every bite. Each dish tells a story of culinary innovation and cultural heritage, inviting food lovers to experience the unique flavors of Thailand. To savor the sweet, unique taste of jackfruit, a fruit that is both exotic and familiar. Its texture, reminiscent of pulled pork, makes it a popular meat substitute in vegetarian and vegan dishes. But beyond its culinary uses, the jackfruit holds a special place in Thai culture. It is often featured in traditional festivals and ceremonies, symbolizing prosperity and abundance, and to appreciate the rich cultural tapestry it represents. The journey of the jackfruit, from seed to table, is a reflection of Thailand's deep-rooted connection to its land and traditions. It is a story of resilience, creativity, and a profound respect for nature. As you explore the flavors of the jackfruit, you are not just tasting a fruit, you are experiencing a piece of Thailand's soul. So come and join us on this culinary adventure, and let the jackfruit guide you through the vibrant and diverse world of Thai cuisine.